Hey everyone, Chad Burton, CEO of CuroLegal, and today we're talking about competency in the practice of law as it pertains to using technology to deliver legal services. That sounds like a mouthful, but it is, and it's important. As many of you know, a few years ago, the ABA revised Comment 8 to Model Rule 1.1 regarding competency to indicate that lawyers have to understand the risks and benefits of technology as it applies to the delivery of legal services. Competency has to do with understanding substantive law, understanding the ability to handle a witness effectively in court, how to negotiate a contract effectively. Well, now our ethics rules also say you have to understand the good and the bad of using technology on really a day-to-day basis. You have to have the right resources to help you use technology effectively. That means that other members on your team might need to understand it so that you're using technology securely and safely to store and deliver client information. That means that while you may not be the foremost expert on encryption and how it works, it means you might have to go to a CLE and learn more about technology and how you can more effectively use it in the practice. It means you might need to get outside help to take a look at your firm's technology structure to say, is it secure? Is it not only just about security, but are we being efficient? Are we using technology that is out of date that now is, perhaps driving up our costs? Could we be leaner, use more efficient and more cost-effective technology to deliver our legal services? That's a lot in there. However, you've got a lot of resources for this. Bars are taking front and center look at this to make sure that lawyers understand the benefits and risks of technology. You've got a lot of outside help. And quite frankly, look at your younger lawyers. Lawyers coming out of school now are well versed in these topics, so look to your younger team members who may have more information on this topic. For example, earlier I mentioned use of the cloud. That is a hot topic still, despite the fact that we're really talking about using the internet. Some lawyers are saying, hey, I don't want to touch this because I would rather just stick my head in the sand and not worry about using the internet to deliver legal services and to store client information. Well, that's where this is all going. So how does that tie into competency? One, it means you can't ignore the technology and just pretend like it doesn't exist. It also means that you're using the cloud in a way to reasonably protect the confidentiality of your client data. For more information, competently visit